Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking a little rough. I've had this makeup on for like 8 hours, I think. So I'm looking a little bit crazy, but it's okay. We're just gonna do a very chill Walmart haul from the last video where I went clearance shopping at Walmart. If you didn't see that video, I'll put an iCard up here for you guys to check it out if you want to go see the sales and deals that I found. In this little video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I actually bought at that trip. This is like sticking out, but I'm going to show you what I bought during that shopping trip. And let's just get started. If you want to see what I bought, then stay tuned. So the first thing I bought, since it's sticking out of the bag, I'll show you guys this first. I got this little muumuu. I call it a muumuu because it kind of looks like a grandma pajama dress, but really it's just a large t-shirt. It just is like a large t-shirt dress. It's got like huge sleeves, like a drop sleeve, and it's really long, and it's got these like tiny little slits here. But my favorite thing to sleep in is a big t-shirt and just my underwear. That's the most comfortable thing. I don't like wearing pants or shorts to bed, and I don't like wearing small tops because like it's just too big here and things fall out of weird places. And I don't like tank tops either because things fall out of weird places. So I really just love, it's the most comfortable thing ever to just wear a large men's t-shirt. So this is essentially that, but it's longer, so it covers the butt, so I don't have to wake up and put pants on when I want to go make my coffee, because normally I do that to be like appropriate. This is a dress, so it's gonna hide all of that. I got mine in the size large, extra large. It goes by small, medium, and large, extra large. So this will fit anywhere from a 14 to an 18. Of course, I got it big because I want it to be super huge and baggy and comfortable. And I'm super excited about this print. And I've actually been wanting to get one of these for so long, and I just never pulled the trigger. They always have some sort of like coffee print. And of course I had to get coffee because it is just the most important thing to me. So there's just all these little coffee mugs, but first coffee. Coffee makes everything possible. It's always coffee time. I just love this, and I actually like the black and the pink and the teal. I think it looks really, really cute. And there's some polka dots, and it's like a light gray color. And the best part about this is it is $6.44, and that's original price. It's not even a sale, so that's amazing. And this is the brand Secret Treasures, and it's pretty lightweight and thin, so you won't get hot during the night. And I am so excited to wear this. Like literally after I film this video, I'm gonna put this on and probably get a bunch more prints every time that I go to Walmart. Another thing I picked up is my self tanner. I always use this self tanner. I've been using it for years. I made a video on it years and years ago. I need to do an updated beauty favorites video. So if you guys want to see an updated beauty favorites, give this a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if that's something you'd like to see. But I stand by this product. I absolutely love it. It is $7.44, and you get about, I want to say you get about like 8 tans out of this. And this is the deep dark color. This is the best one. It has like more of an olive undertone, or like maybe terracotta too. It's not like orangey fake. So it's really, really good. It's self-adjusting color. It's very natural looking. It looks like you got a natural tan. It's a white lotion. Use gloves though, but it's very, very easy to apply, and it's virtually foolproof. I never have streaks with this. The only time I saw streaks with it is when I put it on my husband's legs, because he has hair on his legs because he's a man. So it did kind of streak on that, but on my body, it never ever streaks. And I would suggest getting this even if you're fair, because I think the medium tone one is too orangey. So yeah, love this Banana Boat summer color, and I just love having self tanner, and I like being tan all year round, so I had to get a new bottle. This was the biggest purchase. This was like the whole reason I went to Walmart, but of course I had to get some other things. I've been wanting to buy the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In conditioner for a long time, just because I've been having super dry, you know, just like really, really dry hair. Like it is so dry at the ends. It feels disgusting. It doesn't feel like super damaged from the bleach. It was already dry before I bleached it, before I dyed my hair. But now it's just even drier. Like the rest of my hair feels really good, and it's literally the last like 2 inches of my hair is super dry and disgusting. And the last time I got my hair done by a hairstylist, she said my hair was very dry and like thirsty. So I knew that I had to go back to this because I've used this one with the pink cap. It's the original formula and it's amazing. It makes your hair so soft and shiny and beautiful and healthy. It's just amazing. I just haven't had this product in years because it is expensive. This bottle was $20. Like this little bottle, this is only 4 fluid ounces and it's $20. So that's why I never buy it. The pink one is $18 for this size and this one is $20. I decided to go with the plus keratin one because I was reading the claims online and it was saying that if you have severely damaged hair, like after you got it colored or bleached, and if you're brushing your hair and little pieces are breaking off, this is going to help you. So I decided to do that because I haven't had like a lot of fallout of my hair, but there is like little tiny pieces breaking off and I'm pretty sure they're just from the ends of my hair. So I decided to do the plus keratin to see how well that works, but I know this brand is amazing regardless. So it's gonna be great and it's definitely worth the money. It just hurts my wallet to spend $20 on the hair product, but my 2020 goals were to be better about the products I use in my hair. So I'm trying to care more about my hair health. And so I had to do it. I had the money and I was like, today's the day, I gotta get this product. So I'm really excited to start using this. If you've never used this product, just know it's life-changing. It makes your hair feel amazing and baby soft. I'll just tell you really quickly the claims. It has 10 things, that's why it's called It's a 10. It maintains, it says maintenance of keratin strengthening treatments. So if you got keratin treatments, this will maintain it. Increases styling and manageability, perfect for all hair types, helps replace lost protein, protects the natural keratin in hair, protects against heat. So I was gonna also get a heat protectant because I need to be better about that, but this is a heat protectant, so it's like a twofer. Restores hydration balance, detangles, defrizzes, and adds shine, helps strengthen hair and seals cuticles for extra silky hair. And there's actually silk in this product, silk amino acids in the pink top and in this one. So I'm so excited that I have it. I also picked up another Kiss eyelash glue just because I'm out of it. This is boring, but this is the best lash glue ever, 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 ever. The clear brush tip by Kiss. You will not regret it. This is the best. So I picked that up. I also got 2 packs of nails because you guys know I love my press-on nails and I love having them done all the time. I do have an emergency pair in there, but they're not really my favorite. I just keep them there for like, if say I don't have money to get some new press-on nails, I'll just wear those if I really have to. But these were the ones I showed you guys in that last video where I was shopping at Walmart. And this is by Salon Perfect, which is Walmart's like beauty brand. I think it's Walmart's beauty brand. Is it? Maybe it's not. I don't know. But Salon Perfect, I really love their lashes. They have really good lashes. And they just came out with these press-on nails. They had one other pair, but these ones I really like because they're kind of like a French manicure. It says a modern take on a classic French manicure. And the length is medium, which medium usually ends up to be my perfect length because these are short and like I don't mind them because I have little nail beds, so they're still longer than my nails, but I really like the medium length, and then long is like too long for me to do stuff at work. So I like the medium length and I really like the stiletto shape, and these are stiletto shaped. It says the color is warm pink and it's got a gloss finish, so I'm excited to try those out. And I could not resist these ones by Sinful Colors. By the way, their packaging is so cute and like I'm down for it. This is the medium length oval shape. I haven't ever got oval before, but I don't even care about the shape because these are so cute. Like they're like see-through jelly pink with a little bit of silver glitter at the bottom. And I think they're just so cute. This is gonna be really cute for warmer weather. Like spring and summer is what I think of. But I love this. These were about the same price, basically $6 each. And I ended up getting 2 pairs of earrings because I want to start wearing like earrings, like not just plugs and tunnels and stuff. So I think I can get away with wearing these kinds of earrings with this kind of backing. So they had a lot by Time and True that were $2.88, and that's like a really great price for, they have such pretty earrings in there, and they're hypoallergenic, which is great, but I don't really have fussy ears to begin with, so I'm very blessed. I liked these ones because they have silver and they have gold, and I tend to mix silver and gold a lot, even though some people don't like that. I like it and I really don't mind it, but I feel like even though I have these big gaping holes, like, see, I think I can get away with wearing them like this and it doesn't look that bad. And like when I have my hair down, like, oh, these are super cute. I like them. So I feel like these are gonna go a lot with the blouses that I've been picking up recently. I just needed something that was just more like dressed up for my first holes. So yeah, $2.88, and these are super cute. I love them. And then I got another pair. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but hopefully they look good. So these are just like really sparkly rhinestone little gold hoops, and they're like little chunky gold hoops. They were $2.88 also. And I don't know if these will work out for my first holes, but I figured I'd try it out and just see if this would look okay. Let's try on this side. And if it doesn't look okay here, I can always put it in my second holes. It could work. Like, I know I have a gaping hole, but like it doesn't look that bad, right? See, that's cute. I like this. I just needed some like mom earrings. Like I just needed some grown-up earrings. Like I love my gauges and I don't want to get rid of my gauges, but I just, you know, it depends on what outfits you're wearing, and I feel like I just needed something more like, oh, these are totally worth it. I cannot believe that these were $2.88. Look how cute that looks. That's like so cute for when I'm wearing hair exactly like this, like a bun or a ponytail, just like a little something to spice up the ear. And I really don't think it looks that bad with my large ear holes. But I can't wear regular hoops because then it just spins around in the ear hole and then the clasp ends up at the bottom. So I was like very picky and choosy with the kind that I got, but I really like these. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Now that I know that I can do this, my ears are so versatile. I'm gonna be shopping and shopping for earrings. And like there was a decade there where I just like didn't care about girly earrings like this, and I was like, I don't care about that, I just like my gauges. But now that my style's completely changed, I'm missing the whole girly earring thing. Like I'm missing the little extra something that it gives. So yeah, these are awesome, and I'm gonna go back and get more eventually. And the last item that I ended up picking up was the only clearance. Actually, no, that's not true. I got 2 more clearance items for my kids. It was those squishy Hatchimals, and they were $2 each, originally $6. And then I did get a cat toy for my cat, and it was 97 cents, but it's downstairs. They're already playing with them, so I'm not gonna bring them up here. But the only clearance item I got for myself was the first thing I found, and it was this Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I've used this brand before. I really like it. I just always use dry shampoo. It's just good to have around, and because I travel a lot, it's always good to have a travel size. And it was for 50 cents. It's normally $2.50. So I was like, I'm just gonna pick it up because I always use dry shampoo regardless. So that's just something you really can't go wrong with. And yeah, that was everything that I picked up from Walmart this go round. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this one. That way I know to film more of them, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye.